In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring flow in Power Automate. This beginner-friendly tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up your very own scheduled flow, which can be incredibly helpful for automating repetitive tasks. Ready to streamline your workflow? Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to access Power Automate. Start by navigating to the Power Automate website and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you haven't used Power Automate before, you'll find it useful to familiarize yourself with the interface. The layout is intuitive, with the key functions placed on the left-hand menu. Once you're logged in, look for the Create option in the menu on the left-hand side. This is where the magic begins. When you click on Create, you'll see various options to start building a flow. For this tutorial, we'll focus on setting up a scheduled cloud flow. Select this option, and it'll lead you to the Build a Scheduled Flow window. This is your canvas, where you design the flow according to your specific needs. To start configuring your flow, the first thing you need to do is give it a name. Opt for something descriptive, like Daily Email Report, so it's easy to identify among other flows you might create in the future. Next, you'll specify when you want this flow to start. Set the date and time that works best for your schedule. This could be an immediate start, tomorrow's date, or any date of your choice. The next step is to determine the frequency of the flow. This means deciding how often you want this flow to run. Options usually include once a day, once a week, etc. Pick the frequency that best suits your needs. Don't forget about the time zone setting. Make sure to select your local time zone to ensure that the flow operates according to your schedule accurately. After filling out these details, click on Create to move forward. Now it's time to bring your flow to life by adding actions. You've set up the trigger, and you're directed to the Flow Editor, which is where you'll add all the actions that the flow will execute. Look for the New Step button and click on it. This will allow you to search for different actions. For example, you might want to send an email each time this flow runs. Choose Send an Email, V2, and enter the necessary details like recipient address, subject line, and content. With your flow configured, you're ready to save it. Click Save to ensure that all your settings are locked in. To make sure everything is working as intended, you can perform a test. Simply click on the Test button and follow the prompts to see your flow in action. Testing is a crucial step as it confirms that your flow behaves just as you planned. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully operational recurring flow, ready to automate tasks and enhance your productivity. Enjoy your newfound efficiency with Power Automate.